The Christians of the early days, that is sometime before the 4th century, like around year 300, 354, 311 AD, somewhere there. These early Christians believed that a truly righteous man will die the same day that he was born. Not the same day he was born, mark my words. I made a mistake there. They believed that he would die the same day he was conceived. Conception is what we call fertilization in science, and it happens 9 months before birth. So they believe that if you are truly righteous, you will die the same day that you were born. And we know that Jesus died around 1 Nisan. That is from March to April, the Passover. That's the time when Jesus died. Easter time, right? So they believed that if he was truly a righteous man, it stands to reason that the zygote of Jesus, the word made flesh, was conceived, aka fertilized, on the Passover time, the same time that he died. So they now said if he died in March or April, that is around 25 March, it stands to reason that he was conceived around 25 March. Then they said, let's add 9 months from the day he was fertilized or conceived. Then they said from 25 March, then they had 25 December as the Christmas. It boggled my mind as I was doing deep research to realize that this is the true foundation of Christmas, why the early Christians believed that Christmas had to be on 25 December. And also, to further enlighten you of their argument, it may interest you to know that the reason why in their argument they believe that a man should die the same day he was conceived or fertilized, mark the terms, not birthday but conception. It is because that they argued that in the scriptures you are told that Moses lived 120 years, Abraham lived such and such years. They would not say in scriptures such and such a person lived these years and these months. Everything was rounded. So they argued and said, stands to reason that a righteous man should die the same day that he was conceived, such that when you count his years on earth, they will round up to the dot. Moses, 120 years of life, since conception, not since birth, since conception. So they argued that a righteous man dies the same day he was conceived, and if Jesus died around 25 March, it stands to reason that he was fertilized around 25 March, which stands to reason that he was born 9 months later, 25 December. Glory be to Jesus. Tag your no spade actor, Shadia Combra.